What's up, guys? Today we are making 3D designing another thing. Today it'll be a controller holder. It's going to be a lot harder than the other previous things that I made. So, with that being said, let's get straight into it. So, first we're going to start off with the base. Sorry guys, I didn't know what just happened. It seems like my stuff just glitched. But we're gonna start off with the base. So the base is gonna be a little bit chunky, but it's not gonna be all that. But give me a second. Okay, I am back. I don't know if my screen changed. It's a little delay between my phone. Okay, it did. So we're making the base. We always want to make sure it's even. So we're going to do about 25 by 25. We're going to make the holes for the screws. And you're going to have to enjoy my horrible writing because I'm going to have to use my drawing tablet to sketch out the I don't know if you guys can hear me, but last stream, my microphone was really quiet. Uh, just tell me if you can hear me in live chat. So that is four. That's a hole for the screws. It probably needs to be skinnier because screws aren't that big, like 2 by 2. There, yeah, like that, 2 by 2, and the base is gonna be a little chunky. But I want to make sure these are aligned. Okay, it is aligned how I put it. Okay, that's great. So now we're going to duplicate it and move this one over to the other side. Hello from the other side. Okay, I need to shut up. This and this so we can align it. So I pressed last time this one in the center. But I don't think it's working like it how it's supposed to. Cause this one is different. Let me check. Which ones did I press? I pressed this one and here. This one. But then it's doing the same thing. So I guess we're gonna move them over by 2. Like one there. Okay, great. Now is the watch me struggle part. Basically, I think I pressed the wrong one. I pressed sketch. So now I'm gonna grab my drawing tablet. Give me a second. All right, I have it. This no, this is so yeah. This is the wrong one. I was right. Go no finish. We're supposed to use scribble, but now my ignore. I'm really horrible at doing this. Erase it. So we're basically making a holder. So we're gonna do something like that. Bada boom, bada bang. Shade it in. Can I? I don't wanna. Well, I guess, but then I can just erase it. This drawing tablet is satisfied. Here, here. Okay. Oh no, our table, it's broken. Ugh, that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to use regular. I'm just gonna press done. No, oh no. I'm gonna put my drawing tablet back. This drawing ain't gonna work. So wait, where's the holder? Okay, I thought we were just missing the holder. But also make sure from the bottom you can see the hole. Hi guys, welcome. So like make sure you can still see the bottom. You should be able to see through it. Wait, can you guys hear me well? Last stream people said they couldn't hear me. Bad boys, bad boys. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? So I've been streaming for ignore that. I'm gonna be putting y'all on hold for a second. Okay. So we have to take the hard way, unfortunately. I don't know if it came back on. It did. Okay, great. So we're gonna have to take the long way of this. So yes, actually, We may not have to. We can actually probably use this and just like stretch it out, make a little curve so it doesn't. Wee! So that's what we're gonna try and do. So I just added that piece, and ignore my background. I have my phone in the background to show the live chat. I get back in the live chat. So this might be a fast stream. It depends. Cause right now it looks like it's gonna be a fast stream. Cause really we're just making a controller holder that holds your controller. I need a mouse pad. Okay, can you see through the holes? Now I just realized how chunky this piece actually was. So we're gonna shrink it down. Chunky. And I don't want the thing so huge. Because the base doesn't need to be huge. It's gonna be like 17 by 17. Mm. Flatten this out on the bed. Guys, I know I keep pausing, but I'm just trying to figure out why something isn't working right. Quite why. So, now we're gonna edit this. We still want it to be even, but we don't need it to be big. Oh, no. We're gonna put that at 4. Now we're gonna put it on here. Here. Now, I like multicolor printing. See, this one doesn't let me do multicolor. I'm just gonna make it the same red. But we are going to finally add the edge. And I'm gonna try and make it look perfect, but it's not gonna be. So this, we're gonna duplicate, move it over here somewhere. Then we're gonna work on this bit. I don't know. This seems like the orientation is wrong. A bit too wrong. Move it. Yeah, this looks bad. Bad, bad. Not the good kind of bad, but bad. Cause look, if I turn it the direction that I want it to be, it's like this. Or we could do the same direction, but the snap grid is off, so I'm gonna put it on 0.1. 1. Move it back. There. I guess, eh, it could be better, but this is how I'm gonna work with it. Using these Well, we're gonna ungroup them first, and then we're gonna reunion them, like a family reunion. But my question is, what is these lines? They're just. Mm, hmm. We should probably fix this. Now I'm gonna keep the base design, but I'm gonna change this how it holds the controller design, cause it don't look too right. Wait, cause I don't know what piece we should. Cause we can also do headphones. A headphone. Cause most is like that, so I'm gonna kind of undo it. And since the stream was kind of fast, I'm gonna copy this bottom design and make a headphone holder too. So we're gonna merge these all together. Copy and paste. Oh, I press shift. Copy and there. The snap grid's still 0.1, isn't it? Well, the stream was fast, I guess. Remove these two. Then we're just gonna add this. For the headphone holder, put it in the middle. Because I really need a new headphone holder, so move that over into the. Align this. I'm gonna align this in the middle. Make sure it's perfectly in the middle. There. Union this together. And there we have it. Now, I guess that concludes it today. I'm just going to show how to put it in Bamboo Studio. So you're going to export everything in design, a STL file. Now mine's, it's automatically going to connect to Studio, but I have to change a quick setting so you can see my whole display. There. No, I don't know what happened to Bamboo Studio. Go back into Tinker. Let's try and just open Studio the regular way, with the app way. And if it doesn't work, then I'm going to just go to the outro. This was a fast stream today. It's like 18 minutes compared to my 27-minute one and my 1 hour one. Well, I guess since Bamboo Studio doesn't want to open, I guess we're just gonna move to the outro. Well, thank you guys for coming. If you guys are still here, it's probably only like about one person. Thank you guys for coming. I will probably have another stream tomorrow, but as we know, today is the last day of Thanksgiving break, which is so unfortunate. I hope you guys did your thing. Up, studio wants to open. I hope you guys did your Thanksgiving packets. I did mine in one day. I did all mine yesterday. So since Bamboo Studio wants to open, but it just doesn't want to load right, it says we can. Oh, there we go. We're gonna prepare because yesterday I made a sponge thing and then we just changed it. So we're going to add the two parts, which is the headphone holder and the controller holder, which should be here because I don't have my automation doesn't work. See, look at them, they're so tiny. Bam. Controller holder, not controller, headphone holder and controller holder. So that's how you do it. You can slice, change your filaments. So how long would this actually take? Let's see. 1 hour. That's actually pretty fast compared to the printer at school, which is gonna take like 8 hours just to print these two things. Well, guys, I guess that concludes my stream actually this time. I love you guys. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your day. And I hope you guys have fun. Since it's the last day of Thanksgiving break. Boo. Toodaloo.